My name is Vijay Nichani. I am from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. So we have come here for the National Masters tournament, and it was a great event. We are almost here for a week's time, and we played. We had to play a lot of matches to win this tournament, and fortunately I got to win the tournament. It's my maiden title, national title. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to more tournaments. Thank you so much.
Good experience. Playing conditions were very good. I was happy with my overall performance in the tournament. I played well throughout. In the end, obviously, I had my chance to win the match, and I missed an easy ball in the last ball. So of course, that is very, very disappointing. So, but overall, I'm happy with my performance, except the last shot which I missed. Overall, I'm happy with the way I played, and the tournament conditions were very good. The tables were good. The arena they've made here is quite good.
For a long time. Initially, we had one Asian Billiards and World Under-19 snooker tournament here in 2012. After that, we are having one decent-sized tournament of Masters, which holds quite a bit of significance with the players who are, as you can see from the participation, we had players of the rank of Kamal Chawla, who is the reigning 6th-ranked world champion, Manan Chandra, who is the ex-World Cup winning team member. So there are a lot of good people. New people have emerged who have not shown so much on the international circuit, but the winner today is also Vijay Nichani. He is doing wonders on the circuit. So it's nice to see good quality snooker coming to Goa.
You all are winners because you have promoted this game in our place in Goa, and I wish I heard there are 10 tables available in Goa, which is lying in Sports Authority. To give, I certainly request Chief Minister to spread that tables all over Goa to see that our young generation come up with these sports. Really congratulate these organizers for holding such a beautiful competition and making it a success.
The event has been a great success only because support of SAG, BSFI, guidance of our senior members, the efforts of our team, the sponsors, Rotary Club of Mhapsa Millenials was always supporting us for the events. They were actually Rotary Club is a club who had entered in the sports with taking many sports, but snooker they choose because it was not famous in Goa. And they had many events which were successfully done.
We got this tournament around a month back. We were told to host this by BSFI, Billiards and Snooker Federation of India. It was a prestigious tournament, and we worked hard day and night to achieve this tournament. Today I am proud to say that it's a very successful event. 56 players, 56 Masters players participated from all over India, from north to south, east to west. It was a very successful event. Around 8 referees, 1 chief referee and 1 tournament director came all the way from Indore and other parts of the country. We are very proud to say that we could successfully host this and achieve all our dreams. We succeeded in doing this tournament a great success. I would also like to thank BSFI, Billiards and Snooker Federation of India, Sports Authority of India, Sports Authority of Goa, and all the sponsors who helped us to fulfill this dream. It's a dream come true for us at Billiards and Snooker Association of Goa. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.